King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja faced off against Lex Killquick and the Corporation in an epic battle. The outcome was far from certain, but one thing was clear: only one side could emerge victorious. As the thunder rumbles ominously overhead, the stage is set for a confrontation that will test their strength and resolve. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja know that this fight could change everything. With every strike, the stakes rise higher as King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja push to their limits against Lex Killquick and the Corporation. Each move is calculated, each blow met with equal ferocity. In the heart of the showdown, teamwork becomes paramount as both sides realize that only through collaboration can they hope to secure their ultimate goals. The roar of the clash echoes through the night, captivating all who witness it. Each moment is filled with tension as the battle rages on, and fatigue begins to set in. The outcome remains uncertain, but determination fuels their every move. With victory so close, yet so distant, every fighter knows this moment could define their legacy. The atmosphere crackles with energy as each side braces for what could be the final clash. As the tension reaches its peak, the air thickens with anticipation. The alliance formed by King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja may just be the turning point needed to shift the tides in this fierce battle. In a spectacular display of teamwork, the combined might of King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja sends shockwaves through the battlefield. It's a pivotal moment. The tide of battle begins to sway dramatically. The unexpected turn leaves Lex Killquick reeling as he realizes that the connection between King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja has made them a formidable force. The battle, once precarious, now shifts in favor of the determined duo. With Lex Killquick's resolve strengthening, the battle is far from over. Both sides brace themselves for the final showdown, knowing that only one can emerge victorious from this fierce conflict. In a whirlwind of action, Lex Killquick launches himself at King Cartel, igniting the final phase of their confrontation. It's a test of strength, skill, and unwavering spirit as the battle rages on. Every strike resonates with purpose as the battlefield becomes a canvas painted with determination and valor. In this chaotic moment, the resolve of each fighter is pushed to its absolute limit. As the confrontation escalates, Lex Killquick's fierce onslaught pushes King Cartel to his limits. But it is this very challenge that ignites a fire within him, fueling his fight for victory. With a surge of adrenaline, King Cartel prepares to unleash a devastating blow, signaling that he won't back down without a fight. This pivotal moment could decide the outcome of their intense rivalry. As King Cartel's attack connects, the balance of power shifts dramatically. In this heart-stopping moment, both fighters contemplate their next move, knowing that the end of their rivalry is within reach. With the endgame in sight, Lex Killquick digs deep, fueled by his undying spirit, while King Cartel prepares to seize the moment. The stakes have never been higher, as their fates hang in the balance. With everything on the line, Lex Killquick makes one final move, embodying sheer determination. The climax of their epic struggle approaches, and both warriors know this moment will define their legacies. The air crackles with tension as Lex's strike lands, but King Cartel's spirit remains unbroken. This final exchange is about more than just victory. It's a battle for their very identities. As King Cartel's fist glows with fury, the world around them fades away, leaving only the two warriors in their ultimate clash. A clash that will determine not just their fates, but the legacy they leave behind. In an explosion of energy, the clash reaches its peak, and both warriors know they are on the brink of a monumental conclusion. The outcome hangs precariously in the balance, ready to reshape their destinies. As the tension dissipates, King Cartel stands victorious, but the weight of their confrontation lingers. In this moment of reflection, both warriors understand that true strength lies not just in victory, but in the journey of their rivalry. In a poignant moment of solidarity, King Cartel offers a hand to Lex Killquick, signaling a newfound respect born out of their intense rivalry. The battlefield stands testament to their journey, marking both an ending and a new beginning. As they grasp each other's hands, a bond forged in conflict emerges. The fading light signals not just an end, but also the hope of renewal as both warriors contemplate what lies ahead beyond their fierce rivalry. With the city recovering from the aftermath, King Cartel feels the weight of his responsibility as a leader. Meanwhile, Lex Killquick walks away, his spirit unbroken, ready to forge a new path shaped by the insights gained from their epic confrontation. Standing before the citizens, King Cartel vows to lead them toward recovery and unity. Amidst the wreckage, glimmers of hope surface as the community comes together to heal. demonstrating their resilience in the face of adversity. As Lex Killquick contemplates his path from a distance, he acknowledges the growth that this rivalry has ignited within him. Meanwhile, King Cartel fosters unity among the people, rallying them around a shared vision for a brighter future. With renewed purpose, King Cartel inspires the community, igniting their hope for a stronger tomorrow. Meanwhile, Lex Killquick dedicates himself to growth, ready to face whatever challenges may arise on his journey ahead.